So I'm a Vegas native, lived in Vegas for a long time. I've always enjoyed the sports books in the local Vegas area and how people were having so much fun and just enjoying themselves in these areas, kind of similar to a sports lounge. I wanted to bring that excitement here. That being said, I went out to go and evaluate how can we provide an immersive experience for just sports. Myself being an innovator, I needed somebody who can think outside the box. I didn't want to be the norm.
What they had received from other vendors out there just wasn't special enough.
One of the most unique things that came out of our initial conversations was creating something totally unique to the property, building them the first sports bar without any TVs.
We looked at mounting systems for these displays. As you can see, it's very complicated. These are not your normal flat wall displays. We have lots of curves, we have lots of strange angles and strange shapes, and everything had to be perfect. When we contacted Peerless AV, our representative Megan came out and she actually walked the space with us. She got her design team directly in contact with us. That was so refreshing that we had someone there on our team to actually help us design the mounting system that would fulfill all of these crazy designs that we've come up with. No other company came to that point where they would be helping us out from the very beginnings.
Customers love it. They love the fact that there's some kind of activity going on this end of the casino. As soon as you walk into the hotel, you see this big screen across the way and you're just gravitated towards it. The feedback has been phenomenal. Anytime I go around, everybody says, we're gonna go to the 360, we're gonna go to the 360, we're gonna go watch the big game, things like that. It's been a great buzz around the valley. I think this is the place to come. It really is.